The BMW M6 Gran Coupe is probably the most prestigious four-door luxury saloon BMW has ever built. The M6 Gran Coupe stands for sportiness, power and elegance. It fits in the row with the Porsche Panamera, the Audi RS7, the Maserati Quattroporte and the Aston Martin Rapide. The version we tested has been fitted with the additional competition package. This means the car produces 575 horsepower, which is 15 horsepower more than the standard M6. The M division gave the car firmer springs and dampers, butched up the anti-roll bars and took a 10mm reduction in ride height. The engine is the turbocharged V8 we already know from the BMW M5. This engine will bring the M6 Gran Coupe from 0 to 100 km an hour in 4.1 seconds and will blast on to 200 km an hour in 11.3, singing the beautiful V8 sound getting there.